Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70 and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first let's open notification panel and now we can see here all the available icons. If you want to add some icons here or remove some of them or just to change their positions, click here on the right upper corner to this edit icon and click here to edit swatches. If you want to add some icons from this invisible section, for example this scan one, hold it and drag it here to this subsection. So let's also add here a couple of different icons. So as you can see, that's so simple. If you want to remove some icons from here, just by the same way hold it and drag it to the down section, and to change their positions by the same way hold icon and drag it by this way. To save the changes, just click here to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.